What causes a tsunami? A tsunami is usually caused by a powerful earthquake under the ocean floor. This earthquake pushes a large volume of water to the surface, creating waves. These waves are the tsunami.
In the deep ocean, these waves are small. As they approach the coast, these waves get bigger and more dangerous. Tsunami waves can cause large damage when they reach land.
This is the picture of tsunami. What effects does a tsunami have on the environment? It causes damage to the buildings and infrastructure, animals and plants due to the fast waves that destroy everything in its path. See related question for more details. This is the picture of destroyed